Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, a die has the numbers 1 to 6 such that sum of opposite faces are always 7. Which is the correct wave of die? Since from given sum of the opposite faces are 7, so face marked X should be opposite to 7 minus X, or we can write it as X and 7 minus X cannot be adjacent faces. In the given 4 choices, only one wave. Here we can observe in the option B, that is the only figure in which X and 7 minus X are not adjacent figure, means adjacent faces. For the face A, C, D, there are X and 7 minus X, means there are of the form X and 7 minus X faces are adjacent. Only one wave, that is option B, is such that X and 7 minus X are not adjacent faces. So our correct option is option B, 3, 1, 2. Three, 1, 2. That is option B.